wanted to share with you a recipe for tzatziki dressing. And I think that so many store-bought dressings are full with oil and other ingredients we don't want. And this recipe is super simple to put together and keep in the fridge for a few days to add to your salads or baked vegetables or steamed vegetables or whatever you would like to use it for. And without further ado, let's get into the recipe. Start by soaking a 1/4 cup of cashews in lukewarm water for 30 minutes to an hour. When the 30 minutes to an hour are up, drain the water from the cashews. Next, we will need to prepare about 2/3 cup to 1 cup of cucumber sliced, 1 large garlic clove or 2 small ones peeled, the juice of half a lemon or lime, and then we will take a blender cup where we will add the cucumber we prepared, the cashews, as well as a 1/4 cup of hemp hearts, the garlic cloves, the juice from the lemon or lime, 1 teaspoon of dill, and a 1/3 cup of water. Blend it up until smooth. If you would like this to be runnier, add more water, and if you would like this to be more like a dip, add less water when blending. Then when you have your tzatziki ready, transfer it to an airtight container where you can store it in the fridge for a few days to enjoy on top of salads or cooked veggies. I like to add it to a salad of leafy greens, cucumber, cabbage, and carrots, as you see me prepare here. And I also like it on top of roasted veggies. Today I decided to cut up some sweet potato, eggplant, zucchini, onion, and carrots. Then I season them with a little bit of onion powder and thyme. I add a splash of water on the tray and I pop them in the oven for 30 minutes to 40 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Then I really like to drizzle the tzatziki dressing on top of the salad or the roasted veggies and enjoy it like that. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. Also, if this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Also, please share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it. And let me know in the comments below what you will be putting this dressing on. And I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!